What is up, you guys? Hope you guys are all enjoying your Tuesday. I took a trade today. I entered, and as soon as I entered, we literally got chopped up forever. So, yeah, price has not been too solid for me, at least. But yeah, entry, we got chopped up in my drawdown for about an hour, and then price came up and it took a level, and then I went break even, and then got stopped at break even. So I'm gonna bring you guys through the trade, and yeah, let's get into it. So coming into the morning, I had seen that yesterday price had pushed down, put in this higher. This is a very high type. All right, so coming into the morning, what Monday did is price pushed down, London session, put in this higher time from SMT, and then showed higher prices, taking out this buy side. But my external buy side level is up here. We have retested this daily for value gap right here one too many times, so I think we were just going to push price higher. And we have been extending and then rebalancing the leg, and then rebalance, took out the sell side, and now we are market open. We are rebalancing this leg. So I wanted to see one of two things, right? So coming into the morning, we had this 4-hour fair value gap that we were inside of, and we had this higher time frame, or we had this SMT up here that pushed price lower, but we had London session highs right here that we had actually put an SMT on to push price lower. So I wanted to see one of two things coming into the morning. This was market open right here, and we had not taken out London session lows, and we had equal lows right below us, so I wanted to see that be a target. But I wanted to see either one of two things. I wanted to see us take a trade to, or take a trade off of, to distribute higher to external sell side, and then this would have been my buy side level right there. So coming into market open, we had no type of model to take it to sell side. That was a super nice target for me. I wanted to see it get hit. But my first thing was, okay, if we take out sell side, I want to see an SMT. But NQ had taken out London session lows before, and NES had lagged, but there was equal lows. So I was like, okay, price is not, I didn't see any model off of the SMT. There was no inverse for value gap, change in state. There was just an inverse, and I'm not going to take my trade off that. So what happens is we push price a little bit lower, and here's a low right here. We're inside of an hourly fair value gap right here. And then we had seen very strong distribution after we turtle souped this low right here. So here's our turtle soup. We have an SMT. This is a very higher time frame SMT, higher time frame SMT inside of this hourly fair value gap. I'm like, okay, here's our AMD as well. Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place, but I'm just going to show you guys. So we have accumulation right here. Price isn't really doing a whole lot. We're kind of making higher highs and lower lows. And then price comes down. We take out London session lows. We put in an SMT. It would have been A+, if we had SMT'd off this, but we SMT'd off this low, and then we showed very strong displacement. This is exactly what I wanted to see, is very strong displacement through this fair value gap, and then change in state as well. Kind of looks clean on the 2 minute. We have the inverse fair value gap, change in state, and then I took my trade up to this buy side, and I was going to go break even right here. And then we'd also had Asia highs above right here. But yeah, overall, I don't think this was a bad trade at all. It was my model. We had SMT, higher time from SMT. We turtle souped these lows, and then we had strong displacement through this fair value gap and change in state. But then we really got chopped up in my drawdown. We didn't really make any profit move until right here. I was like, okay, if we take out this high, I think it was this high, I was like, yeah, I'm going to go break even. And then I went break even right here, and then I got stopped out on this candle right here. So overall, I think it was a very good trade. We are up around $23 on the day because I went break even. But yeah, it was overall a very good trade. I think it was a good trade. I would have been very happy if we would have, just straight pumped, but we didn't. Price, as soon as I entered, prices just started to making a range, and we didn't really do a whole lot until we pushed higher. And yeah, I was going to go originally break even right here. This was my break even point, and ES still hasn't taken out this level. Or it didn't. Yeah, it still hasn't. That was going to go my original break-even point, but since we've been in the range so much and we pushed past into profit, I was like, I'll just get break-even as soon as we take out any high in profit. So, yeah, we took out, I didn't think we took out a high. Oh, yeah, we took out this high. And then I was like, all right, yeah, I'm going to go break-even. And, yeah, we went break-even. So, overall, pretty good day. Not mad. It was just bad price right after I entered. So, yeah, it got us good. Another day in the lab. Just got to work harder. Yeah, I do want to mention that we do have a fully free Discord. It's kind of just for students and people that want to get better at trading, whether you're profitable or not. We have a place for everyone, right? And yeah, I just want to mention that. And the link is in the description, so I'll post that for sure. But overall, good day. It's choppy price. And I will see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Maybe a recap, maybe not, depending on if I take a trade. But overall, good day. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.